A great way to take advantage of the MagSafe is a stable and fast car charger. Let's check out this new model from VIXI today. Hi, this is David of Tech4Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's unbox this MagSafe car charger from VIXI. See how stable of a mount it is and how easy it is to set up and use in my car. It comes in this simple white box. Inside the box, there is the MagSafe charger. Underneath, there is the vent clip mount, an USB-C to USB-C charging cable, 4 transparent stickers, a template for sticking the included magnetic ring on non-MagSafe phones, wipes to clean the back of the phones as well, a business card of the company, and lastly, a good manual with pictures. Let's look at the MagSafe charger in more detail. It's all black and made of good quality plastic and has a good weight to it, about 100 grams. It's about 3 3/4 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and 3/8 of an inch thick. There's a socket for the bulb connector in the back, an USB-C charging port on the bottom. There are nice vent-like designs that runs down both sides, and the front surface is made of silicone. Wow, very nice and smooth. Shouldn't scratch the phone at all. There's also a long LED indicator light underneath on the bottom. Overall, a very nice and solid design. The magnet is very strong. Let's try the phone on without a case. Very strong. And here it is with a MagSafe case. Also very strong. VIXI also provides a couple metal rings with everything needed to install them on a non-MagSafe phone. Cleaning wipes, and even a template and stickers. Very thoughtful. The vent clip seems solid as well. It has metal reinforcements at various points. There's a ball joint that will attach to the MagSafe charger, a hand screw to loosen and tighten the vent clip. There are even rubber or silicone padding inside the clips to protect the vent and secure the mount. Let's put them together and try it out in my car. Just unscrew the cap on the back of the MagSafe charger. Insert the ball joint and tighten. That's it. To mount it in the car, insert the clip into the vent and tighten the hand screw. Connect one end of the USB-C charging cable to the MagSafe charger and the other to an USB-C port in the car. Now my 2015 BMW X3 doesn't have a USB-C port, so I can either use a different USB-A to USB-C cable, or better yet, an USB-C power delivery car charger like this one from Syndox to reach 15 watts of fast charging. By the way, if you'd like to see my review of this adapter, I'll put a link here and in the description below. I do wish VIXI would bundle a similar adapter to fully take advantage of this great charger. The VIXI MagSafe car charger is one of the most solid and stable MagSafe fast car charger I've tried. It's not cheap though at $59.99 US, but there are 20% discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. How do you charge your phone in a car? I'd love to know good solutions you found in the comments section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.